What a great way of acknowledging the realistic way of life. The song that invokes a feeling of patriotism is Me, आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं. Its music and lyrics heighten the emotion of love of your country. The arrangements create a strong patriotism fervor that every single time I hear it. So let's get ready for our next performance. Bye my dear friends.
Now I request our principal, Ms. Poonam Arora, to share her message with parents.
Good day, dear parents, my dear children and teachers. Welcome to Crescendo, the annual cultural meet of the primary section. Parents, the last 1.5 years has been a very eventful one for all of us. Lots of ups and downs have been there. Tough times have been there because of the pandemic. But we all have sailed through it. And we have sailed through it successfully because we have been there for each other. At the onset, dear parents, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for supporting us in this venture of online classes in these difficult times. I can see how wonderfully the children have been connected to their teachers through the online platform, and how parents are also making every effort to make these teaching learning platforms and practices a successful one. Parents, life needs to move on. We need to move ahead. We need to look for options when the obstacles come our way. And I can say that very, very proudly that as a school, we have done our bit, and at the same time, as parents and students, all of you have also done a wonderful job in this particular area. Slowly, we are moving towards schools reopening. A few classes are already being conducted hybrid in school. Class 8, 9, 10th is being conducted for the last 2 months now. But slowly we are opening up for the primary section also. And hopefully by January, the whole school will open. Although initially we will be following the hybrid model of teaching and learning for the safety of our students. But I'm sure that we will be able to get back into a complete offline mode also very soon. Parents, do send your children to school when we open up, because you can be rest assured from our end that all protocols and all SOPs related to COVID and related to the safety and well-being of our children will be followed by the school 100% of the time. Thank you for showing your support in all our ventures. I am sure now that slowly we'll be opening up, it will be a difficult time. Children will come back, maybe with some skills will need to be honed more than just the academic part of the teaching learning. But I can assure you from the school's end that whatever will be required to ensure the smooth transition back into the classrooms, we will make sure no stone is left unturned, no facilities are falling short, and we will be able to help our children settle down into a normal school very soon. On that note, parents, enjoy the event today, this online annual cultural day, where the children have put in a lot of efforts, and those efforts have been supplemented by the parents also back home when they have done the recordings and send it to us. The class teachers and the co-curricular teachers have also worked hard to bring this program to you today. Enjoy it. Wishing all the best to everyone. Please stay safe and stay connected to the school. Thanks once more.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Let us now continue with our program.
Dear parents, a warm welcome to all of you to our 34th annual cultural program, Crescendo. We present before you the report of the primary section for the academic year 2021-22. It's said that there is a powerful driving force inside every human being that, once unleashed, can make any vision, dream, or desire a reality. It is this very force which has got reflected in all what has been done in this special academic year. The pandemic posed a challenge to all of us, and working in this new environment as well as embracing the new opportunities that it offered, I can proudly say that we all, that is you parents, we teachers and our dear students, have definitely succeeded. The new academic year continued with the online classes with teachers and students confined in their respective abodes. The teachers were imparted various trainings to enable them to conduct online classes efficiently. They were equipped with various online tools and resources. Those were incorporated into their teaching, thus making the learning process a more enriching and fruitful one. Awards fill in us pride, immense joy, and a sense of responsibility to do good work continuously. Our school is now ISO 210001-2018 certified. Our school was awarded with National School Award for Kindergarten section under the category Best Preschool of the Year Maharashtra 2021. Our school was also awarded the National School Awards for Commendable Contribution in Changing the Education System Maharashtra 2020. Our teacher, Ms. Monica Fernandez, was awarded for a lesson presented at the World Education Fellowship. Our school has been ranked 8th amongst the top 15 schools in Mumbai and 3rd best in Zone B for National International Curriculum in the Times of India School Ranking 2021. Our school is ranked number 1 in India under the top international schools, parameter-wise for co-curricular education in a survey conducted by Education Today. Our school has been ranked 21st in Mumbai, 34th in Maharashtra and 91st in India amongst the top international schools in the country by Education World. Our school has been awarded for excellence in use of blended learning, the challenging times of pandemic by Navbharat Times. Our principal, Ms. Poonam Arora, has been felicitated for the 3rd Nari to Narayani Sanman 2021. Our principal has been awarded with Acharya Chanakya Shikshavad Samman 2021. It's a matter of pride to share with you our results. Our IGCSE toppers are Ms. Mahika Gaikwad with 95.67%, Master Chaitra Samant with 95.17% and Ms. Aisha Sheikh scoring 94.83%. Our SSC toppers are Master Mohammad Zaheen Khan with 96.40%, Ms. Ketki Jadhav with 96.20% and Ms. Sara Mahadik with 95.20%. We celebrated different important days virtually. Yoga Day, Music Day, Independence Day, Mentors Day, Teachers Day and Children's Day. Teachers and students participated wholeheartedly, exhibiting vigor and enthusiasm. Virtual field trips were organized in accordance with the curriculum as they serve an excellent purpose of enhancing the learning process. Different activities were conducted in the online classes wherein the learners acquired first-hand information and enriched their knowledge. Co-curricular activities are intended to develop social and intellectual skills, moral, cultural and ethical values, personality development and character advancement in students. Keeping this in mind, we have conducted online classes for art, craft, physical education, digital literacy, music and global perspective. Dear parents, learning can't stop in spite of all the challenges, and it's with your support in every endeavor that we have undertaken in the past and we are confident of getting the same in the future. I thank you all for gracing today's occasion. Once again, my heartfelt gratitude to all parents for being so cooperative and understanding.
That was a food tapping performance. We are all aware about the sacrifice and struggle of our freedom fighters. Let's go back to the golden era and remember our national leaders and their slogans through this fashion show. So just sit down, relax and enjoy the fashion show by them. I fight for independence. I shall not surrender my Jhansi. My name is Savitri Bai Phule. We become animal without wisdom. Sit idle no more. Go get education and mistreat the oppressed and forsaken. I am Lokmanya Tilak. The problem is not the lack of resources or capability, but the lack of will. Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it. To be successful in life, you need education. I am Sarojini Naidu. As long as I have life, as long as blood flows through in my arms, I shall not leave the cause of freedom. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean has not become dirty. To keep our mind, body and soul healthy, we need to exercise
Tu libera con la papaya.
No digáis nada, no os entendería.
C'est la banana. Oh. C'est la banana, 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 banana. Tu libera con la papaya. C'est la banana. Oh, hello, papagena. Tu libera con la papaya.
A beautiful performance, very emotional and moving. Now presenting before you our all-time favorite Marathi song, Sang Sang Bholanath. Sang Sang Bholanath, पाऊस पडेल काय? Sang Sang Bholanath, पाऊस पडेल काय? शाळेभोवती तळे साचून सुट्टी मिळेल काय? सांग सांग भोलानाथ, पाऊस पडेल काय? भोलानाथ दुपारी आई झोपेल काय? लाडू हौस घेताना आवाज होईल का? भोलानाथ 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 भोलानाथ, सांग सांग भोलानाथ, पाऊस पडेल काय? भोलानाथ भोलानाथ खरं सांगितला, आठवड्यातून रविवार येतील खरेदीला. भोलानाथ भोलानाथ खरं सांगितला, आठवड्यातून रविवार येतील खरेदीला. भोलानाथ 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 भोलानाथ, उद्या आहे गणिताचा पेपर, पोटांना जास्त येऊन दुखेल काय डोक. भोलानाथ उद्या आहे गणिताचा पेपर, पोटात माझ्या येऊन दुखेल काय डोकर. भोलानाथ 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 भोलानाथ, सांग सांग भोलानाथ, पाऊस पडेल. सांग सांग भोलानाथ, पाऊस पडेल काय? साहेबोटी तळे साठून सुट्टी मिळेल काय? सांग सांग भोलानाथ, पाऊस पडेल काय? What a sensational song, isn't it? Patriotism is not just waving our Indian flag, but in striving that our country shall be righteous as well as strong in all fields. Here, our champions transformed into dancers are encouraging the Indian team team to excel in whatever they do. Go for it. Chuck chuck the India.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान।